Have a good day. Welcome to the Sesani Tube. Please share, like and comment for more videos. Today we are going to discuss about the VLookUp function. VLookUp is a very essential technique while using Excel. Here I have employee IDs and I want to filter out last name, first name, department and pay rate from the below table. First, in order to do that, I want to go to formulas and insert function. In here, I am searching VLookUp. Press go and select VLookUp and press OK. Here, these are the function arguments. Lookup value is the value we are going to look from the below table, which is the employee ID. Table array means the data set that we are going to choose. In order to select the data set, you can use the shortcut Ctrl Shift right arrow and down arrow, and the column index is the where the last name is in the below table. First, A column is 1, B column is 2. In here we are putting the false because we need to get the exact match. Press OK. As you know, in Excel I can drag the point in order to get the other field cell. If I change the number, the fields get auto updated. It's a very easy tool. Here I'm going to show you how to use VLookUp in a range. Here I want to get the required bonus value for each sale value. So as before, I'm going to insert function and search VLookUp. Then I need to look up the sale value. And the table array where I need to get the input is this, and the bonus value is on the column number 2. Here the most important point is the range lookup. Here if we take the example 120,000, that is not in the sale, so exact value cannot be get from the table. So in order to get the logical value, I am putting true, so the nearby value is getting. So I am trying to paste the value for the below table, but there when I go down, our target fields also change. So I want to fix the values of the table. So in order to do that, I'm selecting that field and press F4. Then by dollar mark, we are fixing the values. So after dropping, I'm getting the correct value. That means if the sales is 130,000, the bonus is only 10.